and then log in or create an account using your active email. Tapos,
and then after you log in, go to the homepage at makikita nyo po dyan ang PBB Collab. Click the pre-book button. Ulitin ko po, PBB Collab, tapos may pre-book button.
Yes.
And then once you're there, anong makikita natin?
On the order summary, you can select your payment method and then enter your details.
Yes.
Ganun lang kasimple, guys.
Ang bilis.
Yes. Sabado.
May replay ng Sunday.
Oh, may replay tayo ng Sunday. Kung hindi kayo makanood ng Sabado, okay lang. Kasi pwede kayo manood ng Sunday.
Parang Sunday yung Tenduo.
Oo nga eh.
So pwede nyo bumili ng tickets dapat na nanonood sa Araneta Coliseum, pwede rin silang bumili ng live stream.
Para may replay.
Oh,
of course.
Tama, diba?
Kasi guys, instead of mag-video ka na mag-video mo, puno storage ninyo, you have a whole recap on I Want. Diba? Grabe yun, may kopya na kayo.
Pwede screen record dyan.
Exactly. So guys, wag... Guys, check out the tickets na on I Want. Magbasa muna tayo mga shoutouts.
Yes.
Pag bumili kayo yung tickets,
may shoutout kayo.
Yan, okay ba yun?
Okay
lang yun? Okay yun eh.
Yan.
Kasi yung isa kanina nakabili na siya at 10 a.m.
Si Oh My Me.
Oh My Me. Oo.
Para ma-shoutout namin kayo, screenshot your live stream tickets using hashtag #CoLoveLivestream on I Want. Tapos share niyo sa amin sa X kasi tumitingin po kami ngayon sa X sa mga tweets niyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes. Okay guys, so speaking of Team Bahay. International din yung Team Bahay natin. Grabe, saan natin mapanood on I Want?
So, in the following territories, we have US, Canada, Australia, UAE, tas saan pa duo?
We have UK, Japan, New Zealand, Saudi, Germany, Italy, Singapore, and Taiwan. At sa Mars.
Wow.
Pwede mo sa Mars.
Kung meron man dito na live stream from Mars, pwede po kayo manood dyan.
Grabe, ang daming territories available. So you can really watch it wherever you are in the world with the following territories, of course. Kaya Team Bahay, Team Online, Team Online World, get your tickets
now. Support
now.
us po. Maraming salamat.
Ayan, and of course, pag nakabili na kayo, screenshot nyo na yung ticket ninyo. Tag us, Emilio, Michael, I Want, para get a free shoutout.
Yes. Hashtag #CoLoveLivestream on I Want. Okay?
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Manifesting magkaka-series sa I Want. Ang Mili!
Pwede.
Ang ganda i-manifest yun.
Ang ganda yan. I-manifest pa natin yan. I-tweet nyo lang, guys. #MillyOnIWant.
#MillyOnIWant. Pag nilagay nyo yung hashtag na yun, dapat screenshot din.
Done ticket.
J from Laugh Shooting.
Ayan, Jay. Congratulations, Jay.
Yes. Done ticket si... Oh yan, nag-hi Emilio na.
Yan. Okay.
Wow, grabe kayo guys.
So, ayun guys, please keep tweeting. Maraming salamat sa 585 viewers.
500 viewers.
Maraming salamat po. Alam ko may work kayo ngayon, so thank you for taking some time here. Ayan, done ticket since 10 a.m. Thank you po.
Michael, when ka mag-propose kay Emilio? On I Want! Bili muna kayo ng tickets.
Bili muna kayo.
Yan yung solution natin dyan.
Ayan,
last 2 minutes na guys. Matatapos ang ating live stream.
Yes! Come on.
Done by sa Team Millie. Done by live stream ticket.
Thank you, Team Millie!
Yes! Every time na bibili, pipinutin namin tong button na to.
Ayan.
Done tickets si Familio, bro!
Familio!
Nakabili na si Familio. Guys, dapat makailan tayong mabili. Nasa na, 3 na tayo.
Maka-10
muna tayo bago tayo mag-end, guys.
Okay?
Oo.
Meron pa ba?
See you sa concert
natin.
Jose Carlo! Jose Carlo! Apat na tayo. Nasa na tayo.
Ayan.
Okay.
Meron pa ba?
Watching from TW Taiwan.
Wow.
Perfect because Taiwan is on the map for I Want if you want to watch the live stream.
It's part of the territory. So sana bumili ka na.
Bumili ka na. 199 pesos or $3.99 USD. At the price of that, makikita nyo live ang aming concert. Yes,
marami tayong surprises.
Kaya
you guys should watch the concert kasi marami po kaming pasabog dyan. I'm sure you guys are all gonna love it.
Exactly. But just now, si Miriam!
Yes!
Thank you, Miriam!
Congratulations, Miriam!
Thank you po.
So malapit na po kami makaabot sa quota namin, guys. Tulungan nyo kami kasi kung hindi, di kami papakainin.
Oo, talaga, guys. But we're at 857 viewers! Grabe yun!
Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Thank you.
So, let's keep on I Want.
And guys,
Mag-tweet
lahat
kayo.
ng housemates part of this
How
special
to buy
collab.
ticket po.
So, ulitin natin yung instructions to.
Maglalagin lang po kayo sa iwanttfc.com.ph, go to tickets, and then log in or create your account using your active email.
And then after you log in, go sa homepage, makikita nyo ang PBB Collab with our poster. And then once you're there, click the pre-book button.
Yes.
Importante yung pre-book button para
on the order summary, pwede nyo i-select yung payment method nyo, tapos ilalog in nyo lang yung mga details nyo, i-enter nyo lang. Ganun lang po kasimple.
ang dali nun.
Yes.
And we're at 1.1K!
Guys, chillax lang kayo, baka masira yung TikTok natin, ha? Ako, di pwede yan.
Oh, nakailan na tayo? Do 5
Oh,
nata.
hey, bought 2 tickets si Chelsea!
Oh, bought 2 tickets!
Naka-7 na tayo. Salamat, Chelsea.
Thank you, Chelsea!
Okay, meron pa ba? Mga bibili ng ticket.
Si Chelsea excited sa mga
Chelsea bought 2
surprises.
tickets. Thank you, Chelsea.
It'll be worth it. Abangan nyo yan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay.
Pamain ang Meli. I-mine nyo muna ang mga tickets. Sa mga 1.1 thousand viewers dyan.
1.3
thousand
viewers.
Wow,
Maraming salamat
grabe
po.
kayo guys.
Yes.
But 1 ticket from
Okay.
As Miles.
Okay,
Oh,
8.
Leo.
That's 8.
That's
Dalawa
8.
na lang.
That's 8.
Dalawa na lang. Kota na po
Done
kami.
buying si Zach.
Ayan!
Zach,
Thank you!
that's 9.
Zach,
Isa na lang.
that's 9.
Let's go.
Come on. I bought 4 tickets.
Ah, 4 tickets going!
Thank you po.
Oh my God.
Kota na po kami.
We're at
Papakinggan na
30
po
tickets.
Kami. And at 1.5 thousand viewers.
Ituloy na natin to. 20 tickets. We're
Yan.
almost there,
Okay,
guys.
13.
Kaya nyo to. Kaya to
Ayan.
7 more. Oh.
Meron
Nasa
ba?
na, nasa
Meron
na.
ba?
Hintay namin yan. Ano
Oh.
binibenta nyo, kuya? Ulitin natin, ang binibenta po namin ay ang napaka-espesyal na collab live stream tickets. Live where?
Yes, live. Siyempre, only on I Want. So kung gusto niyo bumili ng tickets, punta lang muna kayo sa tickets.iwanttfc.com.
Now na, gawin nyo
Yes,
yan now.
now. And tapos maglalogin lang kayo by creating an account using your active email.
Yes, and once nakalogin na kayo, go to the homepage, select the PBB Collab, and at the collab, you will see pre-book button. Once you see that pre-book button,
i-click nyo,
Yes,
diba?
tama. I-click nyo lang.
Tapos pagkatapos nun, makikita nyo yung order
Oh,
summary.
ticket secured! Sabi ni
Ayan,
Kevin.
14 na tayo. Maraming
14.
salamat. So,
Oo.
on the order summary details, you can select your payment method, then you just
5 tickets
details.
bought! Secured ticket! Oh my God! Yes!
Grabe. Sobrang
Grabe
saya.
yung 5!
Maraming salamat po. 1.8
Oh my
thousand
God!
viewers!
Bought 1 ticket si Hoshi!
Okay, 21 na tayo! Sobrang kontra
Oh
tayo,
my
guys. Maraming
God.
salamat.
Magkano
Maraming
po?
salamat.
Magkano?
Bought 3 tickets si Eliza!
Oh my God!
Secured our 4 tickets. Maraming salamat. Maraming
We're at
salamat.
20 plus na.
Pero
Grabe.
guys, unfortunately, tinatawag na po kami. Nagre-rehearse kami ngayon dito sa secret location.
Yes.
Pero abangan pa mamaya.
6 tickets bought! Heather Lim!
Naka-30
Grabe kayo!
Naka-30 na kami. Magpapakain na sila. But again, guys, marami pang pasabog I Want today. Abangan pa ang
Exactly.
ibang collab housemates sa I Want
Oo.
TikTok Live mamaya.
Pero we set a high standard.
Yes.
Wow! Naka-30 tickets
30
tayo!
tickets. Maraming salamat.
We love you
Maraming
guys.
salamat.
Yes, and we're
We'll
really
see you guys
rehearsing
again soon.
para
Yes.
for this live stream for our concert. Ginagalingan namin para sa inyo because you guys are supporting us. Thank you, mga
Thank you sa
kapamilya at
2,000
mga
viewers.
kapuso.
We'll see you guys again soon.
See you guys!